Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create vintage old photo effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Elements section and search for Old Paper. Choose any old paper and add it to the canvas. Then, increase the size to fill the entire background. Then, you need to add image from Google, where I already have an image. Add this image to the canvas, then increase the size of this image. Click on the canvas and go to Edit Image. Scroll down and click on the duotone option. Then, click on Cherry, go to Highlights, and select the pencil color. Apply this color to the canvas image to give it an old, vintage look. Next, go to the Adjust settings and decrease the brightness around 27%. Lower the shadows 44%. Reduce the blacks 20%. Decrease the saturation 24%. And reduce the clarity 29%. Finally, click on the transparency option and reduce it to 75%. This is our image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.